Good afternoon, good morning. I hope you're feeling well. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoy content like this. It's very educational for you. And today I'm going to be analyzing some stocks and their charts, analyzing choosing a stock and the trend of the chart for tomorrow's day trade. So let's get into it. So tomorrow I'm going to trade based off the current economics. I see that we have construction spending and pending home sales. I want to trade based off the current economics. So I'm going to go into Yahoo Finance. I know they're talking a lot about tariffs recently. Looking through some articles. So I remember yesterday they were talking about tariffs. So let's see here. Home buyers now have a Greenland problem. So tariffs. All right. I'm gonna go with the stocks from yesterday. I was able to get a trade on Apple. So because of this recent tariff information, I'm gonna trade based off the tariff. So AMD, Tesla, trade Amazon. So Amazon. So I'm just gonna trade based off the tariffs. That's very recent. So AMD imports imports materials, tariffs could affect these costs. And this is the same thing. Right? Amazon in businesses import businesses import their products. for Amazon to sell. Tariffs and affect these costs. So the let's mark our levels. Close at 223, open at 223. So close at 223, close at 223, and open at 223. So close at 223, now open at 223. Close at 223, open at 223. So close here at 4 cents, open at 2 cents, close at close at 4 cents, and open at 2 cents. So the close here at 4 cents, gonna open at 2 cents. So on this candle formation, we could get a higher high. So close at 51, close at 51 cents, and open at 60. Close at close at 51, close at 51, open at 60. So that 51 cent close is our swing low. We have a lower low, lower high, lower low. So we have a lower low. Close at 51. Close at 51. Close at 51 cents. Now open at 60. Close at 51. Close at 51 cents. Close at 51 cents. And open at 60. Close at 51 cents. Open at 60 cents. Close at 51 cents. And open at 60. So that 51 cents is the lowest price point of these two candles on the right. So we have a good downtrend structure. So we're below medium and long MA. So we could have a continued downtrend, potentially. Trend equals downtrend, which equals puts. AMD is above medium and long MA. So it may, if it forms that higher high, it may continue in that higher high. So a trend equals an uptrend, and that equals calls. Close at close at 6 cents and open at 5 cents. Close at 6 cents, open at 5 cents. So we have a swing high right here. A close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents. And open at 5 cents. Close at 6 cents. Open at 5 cents. So that 6 cents close is the highest price point of these two candles on the left and right. We close at 93 and open at 88. Close at 6 cents. Open at 5 cents. So it's a swing high, at the swing low. Close here at 41, open at 42. For the close at 41. Close at 41 cents. And open at 42. Close at 41 cents. Close at 41. Now open at 42. So that 42-cent open is our swing high. All right, so we have a lower high. We have a lower high. And we may have our lower low here. Gonna put a orange box just in case it forms the swing low. Okay. So it may form a lower low. We'll have to see tomorrow. At the moment, we have a lower high, which equals a downtrend. So we have a lower high. So trend, so we are below, medium, below the, try to find a long-term moving average. Where is that? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, so we are below the medium and the long MA while in the downtrend with the lower high, and we just crossed below that. Um, 1 second. With my strategies, you can look at there is a note card that there's a note card with my, it, the note card says my quantitative trading strategy. So on this right here, my quantitative trading strategy shows here that on the 4 hour, that are the long-term moving average is tracking 2 months of price, tracks 2 months. So we just crossed below the 2 month moving average with the 1 day moving average coming below it. So in the next 2 months, we may have some downtrend moves. Just organizing my stuff here. All right. So no swing low right here because of this candle. No swing low. See right here. Swing low. You can see that it's open. Open of this candle. One, two on the right, two on the left. So we have a lower high. Hmm. Close at 41 and open at 42. Close at 41. Close at 41. Open at 42. So at 42 cents. There's swing high. Close at 6 cents. Open at 5 cents. Close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents. And open at 5 cents. Close at 6 cents. And open at 5 cents. So swing high right there. Lower high. So Amazon trend equals downtrend equals puts. All right. So these are our trades. This is the trades. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Just verify here. close at 41 and open at 42. Open at 42, so 42-cent open. Higher in price than the close of this. Close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents and open at 5 cents. Close at 6 cents. Close at 6 cents and open at 5 cents. So 6 cents is our swing high. Right, so lower high. The most recent swing levels here. The swing high. So where's the swing high from this swing? So right here. So it's a lower high. A lower high is what that is. Lower high. Lower high. See, look at that line. Visually, y'all understand? Visually, do y'all see that this is downwards? It kind of looks like a face, right? Kind of looks like a face. Right? Can you see? It kind of looks like a face. And then we could put the nose. You can kind of see it. That looks like a down, lower high. Right, so a lower high, lower high. And then we may have a lower low tomorrow. So we may have a lower low tomorrow. Right? We just have to see the formation. The lower high. Most recent swing levels here. And so it's swing high. Where your previous swing high? Right here. Lower high. And then right here you can see a possible swing low forming. See a possible swing low forming. Possible swing low forming right here. We have to see the second candle formation. The next two candles have to form. These next two candles have to form higher in price than the close of this candle. All right. Did that educate you? I hope that educated you. You have to train your brain. Gotta train your brain. All right. Lower high, lower high, or in a downtrend. And that equals puts. Downtrend equals puts. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I think we'll have a great trade tomorrow. Have a blessed day.